Alright guys, my name is Nathan Sayer. I'm a full-time professional photographer and filmmaker in the ski industry, and as a part of that, I've gotten the incredible opportunity to try out and test a lot of the newest gear. So today what I want to do is take a look at Peak Skis. This is their first season in business, but they've got a lot of big names and big technology behind their skis. So what I want to talk about is, are these skis actually performing well on the hill? Are they any good? And are they right for you? So first off, right off the bat, I need to address who is Peak Skis. Because they're so new, a lot of you may not have heard about them or are hearing about them for the first time. Peak Skis is the creation of Bode Miller, who is arguably the greatest male ski racer coming out of the US of all time.
Of course, Bode Miller has the gold.
And after his racing career, he wanted to launch his own ski brand and design his own skis, and Peak is the result of that dream. Now, it's really easy for these really big skiers to put their name behind a brand, but not actually get involved with the brand or the actual ski design process. And admittedly, initially, when I looked at this brand, I kind of had a suspicion that that might be what's happening. However, having spent time in the shop with the guys who are building and designing these skis, I can say for certain that Bode has been an instrumental part in designing them. I talked with the techs and stuff who work in his shop, and they said that he was instrumental and passionate about designing these skis. So when you're buying these skis with Bode's name on them, you are actually getting a product that he fully designed and is backing personally. Additionally, Peak Skis has done an incredible job so far of bringing in some of the biggest names in the industry to test out and back their skis. They already have Chris Davenport and Michelle Parker on their team testing, prototyping, and contributing to the design of these skis, and in the next week we're going to be seeing them announce another major partner. However, despite that, big names do not necessarily mean good skis or good skis for you. So I'm going to be taking a look more at the performance side and the actual impact that it will have on you as a skier to see if these skis are right for you. One of the first things that you'll notice about these skis is how incredibly engineered they are. There is a lot of technology and effort and design that is going into everything from the bases to the flex to the edges, and the core material and the keyhole technology that they're advertising is actually incredibly effective in my experience. I used to ski race back before I got into backcountry freeride filmmaking, and I can comfortably say that these are one of the best handling and edging skis that I've ever ridden. And while that might sound like it will limit them to groomers and carving, they handle well across many different platforms. And that is honestly their biggest strength, is that they are incredibly versatile. I've skied these on slush, crud, groomers, powder, and they just perform beautifully. I've had more fun skiing these skis on bad days than I have on some powder days, because they handle so well. They soak up everything underneath, and you never sacrifice control or edging ability regardless of the conditions. Because of that versatility and their incredible ability to ski any conditions, these skis have quickly become one of the skis that I trust the most. I know that they're going to perform. I know that they're going to hold up in difficult situations. I've done some alpineering and high altitude climbs on rock walls and stuff with them, and I trust those edges in this ski to perform and grip when I need it to, more so than almost any ski that I've ever skied. So the question is who are these skis for? Well, I've talked a lot about how they're incredibly trustworthy and handle well in a wide variety of conditions. So there's a couple demographics that I think need to be considering these skis as an option for their next season. And that would primarily be big mountain skiers or people who are hard charging and want a ski that is a high performance, very trustworthy ski in a wide range of situations. If you're a big mountain skier and you're skiing big open lines and you need to be trusting a ski to handle anything that comes underfoot, edge when you need to, float when you need to, these are the skis that you need to be looking for. If you're looking for a one ski quiver that can ski any day no matter the conditions, this is a ski I would consider. However, I want to be totally open and transparent that there may be people who these skis don't work as well for, and I want to address that. If you are a very playful, poppy, or let's say freestyle skier, these skis might not be for you. They are a directional ski with a directional feel. you can feel that they want to charge forward primarily. So if you're looking to do spins or tight trees, these might be a more difficult ski for you. But once again, if you're that big mountain skier, this is something I would be looking for because it's a ski that you know you can trust to both edge, float, carve, and handle any snow conditions that come underfoot. And so with that, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little bit informative. If you guys are interested at all in skiing related content, filmmaking related content, backcountry related content, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.